Chapter 7 Advanced Features of MS Paint. MS Paint is a program which can be used to draw, color, and edit pictures. It helps us in drawing pictures and coloring it by using different tools. In this chapter, you will be learning about some new features of MS Paint in this chapter. Color Picker Tool. It helps in picking the color from an existing object and filling the same color in another object. The given steps can be followed for using Color Picker tool. Step 1. Draw any two shapes and color one out of it. Step 2. Choose the Color Picker tool. Step 3. Click on the color that you used to fill in the first shape. You will notice that Color 1 button now shows that same color. Step 4. Select the Fill with Color tool and fill the color in the other object. Magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to get a closer view of an image. To use the magnifier tool, follow the steps given below. Step 1. In the Home tab, select Magnifier. Step 2. Left-click the mouse button to zoom in the image and right-click to zoom out the image. Here, we have zoomed in the image using left-click. A rectangular shape appears. You can even see the particular portion in zoom. Image Group. The image group on the Paint toolbar contains shortcuts used for formatting the image like stretching it, resizing it, making the selection transparent, cropping an image, and selecting the whole drawing. Selection. In order to work with images, the first part is to select the part or whole of the image on which we have to work. Let us learn about the different selection techniques that can be used in MS Paint. Using the Select button, the whole image or a part of the image can be selected. Selection is of 4 types: rectangular, freeform, select all, transparent. Rectangular selection. For selecting the rectangular shaped area of the image, this type of selection is used. The given steps can be followed for rectangular selection. Step 1. Click on the arrow of the Select option on the image group. By default, rectangular selection is selected. Step 2. Click and drag over the area of the image until it is selected. Step 3. A dotted box around the image will appear. It means that the area is selected. You can move the selection by pressing cursor down anywhere inside your selection and dragging it. Freeform selection. It is used for selecting an irregular shaped area of the image. The given steps should be followed. Step 1. On the image group, click the arrow of the Select option. Step 2. Select Freeform selection from the list. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse irregularly freehand around the area of the image until it gets selected. A dotted box around the image appears. It means that the area is selected. Select All. It is used for selecting the whole picture. Step 1. In the Home tab under the Select option in Image Group, choose Select All. The complete image will be selected. You can see the dotted lines around the complete picture. Transparent selection. In the bottom of the Select menu, you will see the Transparent Selection option. It is used for making the selection transparent or opaque. The given steps should be followed for transparent selection. Step 1. Choose the image whose background color you want to make opaque. Step 2. On the Home tab, under the Select option, choose Transparent Selection. Step 3. Drag the selection and keep it in the place as shown in the image. Resize and Skew. Resize. This option is used for changing the size of the image vertically or horizontally. You can follow the given steps for changing the size of the image. Step 1. In the Image group, click on the Resize tool. Step 2. Resize and Skew dialog box will appear. Only the top half of this dialog box is concerned with resizing. Step 3. A small square marked maintains the aspect ratio. Step 4. While it is marked, whatever you type in the horizontal box will be repeated in the vertical box, and the selection will stay exactly in proportion. Step 5. Click on OK. Skew. It helps the user in making the image or selected portion slanting. The bottom part of the Resize and Skew dialog box consists of Skew section. The given steps should be followed. Step 1. Select the object. Step 2. In the image group, click on the Resize tool. Resize and Skew dialog box will appear. Step 3. In the Skew section, enter the degree values in given box to which you want your portion to skew either vertically or horizontally. Step 4. Click on OK. Fact bit. You can paste any image or text any number of times. Rotate and flip. Rotating is a feature which allows turning an image in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Flip option helps in making the mirror image of selections vertically or horizontally. Step 1. Select the image which you want to rotate or flip. Step 2. On the Home tab, click on Rotate option in the image group. The different flip and rotate options available are rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, rotate 180 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Lesson sum up. Color picker tool is used for picking color from one image and filling same color in another object. Magnifier tool is used for enlarging the object or portion of the drawing. Selection tool helps the user in selecting any part of the drawing. Rectangular selection is used for making the selection in rectangular shape. Freeform selection is used for selecting an irregular shaped area of an image. Transparent selection is used for making the selection opaque. Resize is used for changing the size of the image. Skew is used for inclining the image. Rotate allows the user to move the image clockwise or anti-clockwise. Flip is used for making the mirror image of the drawing.